Alright, for this week's video, as you remember, we couldn't install our center stand.
This hole is simply too big for my tools.
Because I didn't have it, I didn't have this guy. So now this is the most important part of this build. To get this T60 out, you need a breaker bar for sure, because this is tightened so bad.
Tight, yeah!
Now, the tools you need for this job, you need a T60, T50 and a T40 ratchet. I guess that's what they're called. A ratchet tool, some thread locker and this breaker bar, and that's it. So to install it, you first gotta remove this bracket. You gotta remove this bolt, this bolt, this bolt and this bolt there, and these two in the back. And you gotta first undo the quick shifter. That way you don't have to undo this, even though the manual says just take the quick shifter out completely. You don't have to do that. You just need to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 bolts out. Then this whole thing will move out enough that you can put the bracket for your center stand. Once you're done that, you put it back on and it's pretty much it. The hardest part was attaching this spring, but other than that, it's a pretty easy job. And on this part, you just attach this guy here and that's pretty much it. Put some grease on the connecting point, moving point of the center stand. That way it will operate smoothly. There you go. One center stand installed. Now enjoy my struggle installing this. All right, where were we?
Oh shit, here we go again.
So the last time we couldn't install our center stand because we didn't have enough horsepower to undo this gigantic T60 bolt. But today is different. So we have our breaker bar. With this thing, it will be easy as spreading butter. I'm gonna show you how easy it is now with this breaker bar. I already applied some force on it, so it's coming like butter. All right, we did this one first. I forgot the first step. Again, we need to undo the quick shifter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need to remove 6 bolts.
Around 6, 7. 6, 7.
Oh man. This breaker bar made things like 10 times easier. I was able to remove this bolt. It was the biggest pain, so I didn't have a tool to go underneath, and I didn't want to remove the quick shifter completely, so that, you know, otherwise I would have to align it again. So I was trying to use this, and then it broke, but the rest of it held. So we needed a T40 to remove that. So I attached that to this, and then I used a 1/4 inch bit to this, and then I made it bigger with this adapter, and then on top of that I used my breaker bar. That way I was able to remove that. So I had to get a little bit creative.
I think we did it. It's pretty solid.
I've been talking to myself. How great. Next, we're supposed to put these on the other side of the bike. Interesting. Woo! Boy, it's windy. Okay, what do we need? Let's get to the other side of the bike, which will be challenging because we attached it to the car. Alright, let's roll under. Before I hit my head. on there. Oh, I found you. I found it. So, hopefully I'm doing this right. We're not far behind, guys. Let's try. I think, where'd these go? Maybe in the... Ah, there. Okay, now I found it. Frog me! I was supposed to use these. Ah, dang it! Ah, there. Okay, now I found it. Oh man, what a dummy I am. I put some grease around it and these will make it operate smoothly. I wish I did that before, but you know me, I like to make mistakes.
I like to move it. You like to move it.
Dummy, so dumb. Let's go back in there. One last time, I hope. Ah, dude, I'm so tired. Yeah, I gotta go on the other side and do the same thing. Who knew installing this would be that complicated? I made it complicated. Almost there. Final step. Now we need to hold this and then pull that out and then attach that there. Sounds easy enough. This might be the hardest part yet. Come on, buddy. You can do this. Oh, man. No. This is not working. It's supposed to work, but it's not working. All right, now that we got it in there. Oh, man. Ah, man. We were so close. I gotta do some engineering there. Come on. All I need to do is remove this. So I was able to get the spring in, but now I have to remove the screwdriver while doing that. But I don't know how. Let's pull, yank. I hope it will come out. Looks like it's coming out a little bit. I don't wanna undo the spring or... Oh! Did we do it? We did it! We did it! Unbelievable! Such a simple job. Took such a long time. There you go. That's what it means to be a non-professional technician. But let's test it out, shall we? Look at the Cybertruck's bed. Remember the treatment we did last week? It's holding up pretty well. Now I gotta do the rest of it. But so far so good. I'm pretty happy with this. Moment of truth. Did we do our center stand correctly? Ah, it's on! It's on! Unbelievable! Woo! I did something today. Look at this. I can turn my wheel now and do the chain looping and cleaning. Woo! I'm so happy. And it's standing upright. I don't need this. Because it's standing upright now, in my tight garage space, this will come in handy. Wow! Look at this! I'm so happy. There you go, guys. We did it in an unconventional way. It's not that hard. If you want to get your hands dirty, it's fun thing to do, to work on your bike and do it yourself. I could have probably get a professional done it pretty cheap. It's not that hard of a job, but when you don't know, you don't know. I'm so happy to be able to get it on kickstand. Shall we give it a test drive? I know it's too cold, but I miss my motorcycle. Let's give it a test ride.